Right, another beautiful truck with another crazy system. Come on, Chris, help me explain this madness.
All right, so this is my work truck that for some reason I decided to put a 24-inch stereo integrity IB woofer because I watch these videos from Peter of IB sound systems. And after Peter's lead, I've taken a lot of other of his ideas and incorporated them into my truck.
One great thing with this type of manifold is that you don't have that problem we have with our pickup truck where we have two 18s, because if you put it against the wall and then the wall is your frame, then it can flex a lot. It's difficult to keep it away from the flex, but this way you don't have any problem.
Correct.
So you mentioned that you may change this in the future. Are you still going to have a manifold, or do you want to bolt it against the wall?
We will still have a manifold.
Okay, cool.
There will be two 15-inch one audio subs that are going in.
Amazing. They are epic. But the resolution on them, most people can't believe that it's audible to hear resolution below 25 hertz. You're like, oh, it's just wind and craziness. But no, it's a whole different story. But equally, we had two of these, and yeah, they do something really, really special. Yes. So I'm looking forward to hearing that. Let's see the amp rack. If you come on the other side, please, okay. Then you can help explaining
no problem.
What's happening here. Nice big amp rack. Nice. So, what's the source? DSP. Let's see. So I can see that you have a
It's the Helix, the Ultra S DSP. I have a Zapco Z4150.4 AP. That's running my Mundorf tweeters and the Stag MSS3s.
Nice.
I have a Mosconi Pro 230 on the 24-inch sub.
Okay.
A 210 on the front sub, which is Illusion C10.
Nice.
And the 210 is running my mid bass, which are Blam MB8Ds.
Nice. Power, you have an extra battery there as I can see. Easy access to the power distribution. Although, how do you get to the power distribution?
The glass, you just
lift up. Okay, yes. Nice and simple. That's very neat. Very neat. Great design. Okay. So
and I own a paint company, so all of the things on the glass came off of the wrap on the outside of the vehicle.
Nice and creative. Good. Okay, let's see the front. At least that helps. Getting into these trucks is not simple. So, mid bass, I assume it's in the door?
Currently it's in the door because I compete amateur in Iasca.
Okay, so you can't go beyond anything.
Exactly. So once I advance from amateur, I will go into the kicks.
I see. Just for a moment, can you please stop the music? Because YouTube is not going to like that. And we want people to be able to hear it, because in some countries, when they ban it, they can't hear it. Yeah, and that's quite a big problem. So this part is pretty obvious. Did you have location there from factory? Or?
I had a location there from factory, but these are 3D printed and a little bit wider, a little bit closer to the front end and to the side.
Of course, because this is a Toyota. Of course, you have a location, yeah. Because in many other trucks you don't. I think in the GMC you do.
Yes.
Right? Ford, you don't.
Ford, you do not.
Yeah, and then the AMTs, they have perfect space for them over there. Nice and simple. How do you feel about the system now? What would you say was the highlight of it?
I switched from a more traditional mid-range and high. I had the Gladen Aerospace in before. And with this setup, it just seems like there's more life to the music. Yeah. I get great depth and the Stags are amazing. I really love the Stag mid.
I think there's a reason why Stag is actually struggling with the production of the MSS3. I couldn't get stock at some point at the beginning of the year because they were telling me this is our highest sold product. I'm like, really? Duh, why?
It's a great speaker.
Yeah, we have really pushed that driver, and yeah, not a single person ever complained. Nobody had problem with it. Everybody just says that the value what these have is in the special category. And then of course once you try these AMTs, what was it first time when you put it in? That's
Sorry,
okay.
I didn't realize you were in here.
That's
right.
I put them in. They've been in the truck for about 2 months now, and really it was an eye opener whenever I put them in. Just the depth that I'm getting now, the stage height, the width that I'm getting from this combo, it's just so much better than what I've had previously.
When you have this level of detail and resolution, it shows extra layers that other people never realize that it's in the music.
Yes.
And that's why I keep telling them that resolution is something that we cannot quite measure, or you cannot really see from a piece of paper, from the spec sheet. But when you put these tweeters A/B next to anything, then you just hear so much more information.
Yes, and one of the feedbacks that I'm getting is the realism of this combo.
Yeah. What do you think was the next upgrade?
The next upgrade will be I'm moving to all Zapco amps from the Mosconi.
For the reason of?
How can I say this?
Well, you know, it's first-hand experience and feedback from you. So
yes.
I think when now you say that, people would ask the same question.
Yes. It just seems like those amps are kind of bulletproof. I can abuse them. I don't have to worry about them getting too hot. I don't have to pamper them.
The APs have been their strongest lineup. Yeah, they do what they do for an amazing price. That's for sure. Yeah, this system is pretty much laid out the way we always say we would do it as well. You have everything that I would do the same way. Of course, once you are upping the game and you can move from the category, then you can look at the mid-bass situation as well. Although, what can you do in this car when it comes to?
The mid-bass, I've watched your videos, and there is a Tundra that has, they have some mid-bass. I believe it is the Stereo Integrity TM8s, and they have them further up.
Eddie, Eddie actually fitted the AWMs, but it doesn't matter. You have space for it. Yeah.
Yes. So
he even had space for a 10.
I just have to do a little cutting, and I'm there.
Just a bit. Yeah. That would be very inspirational for you to hear, because he has same combo.
Okay.
But yeah, mid-bass in the kicks in IB and the 10-inch in sealed steel, which is crazy to believe how it can be managed. But in this car, you have the room for it.
Yes.
And maybe you should get a flight ticket cheap, fly out, see him in San Jose. He's coming next week to my training too.
Oh, really?
Again, yeah, he's going to be there on the meeting as well on the 25th in Vegas. Although I don't know when I'm sharing this video, so this video may be after that, talking about dates. But yeah, Eddie built a reference level system, and it's
very
epic. Cool. It's epic. Yeah, okay. I guess it's time to listen to it. Let's do it.